Good morning, kids. Today, we're going to read a new story called The Birds, the Bees, and the ABCs. Are you ready, kids? Let's begin. Astoundingly agile aardvarks awkwardly attached. Boisterously bouncing bunnies blissfully bumping. Courageously commingling crocodilians catastrophically copulating. Dangerously determined damselflies dizzily dancing. Embarrassingly excited elephants erotically entangled. Fervently faithful fireflies feverishly fornicating. Gracefully grandiose gazelles gleefully grinding. Hysterically horny hippos happily humping. Impressively infatuated icefish indiscreetly intertwined. Jokingly jumpy jellyfish joyfully jiggling. Keenly kinky Kodiaks kindly kissing. Ludicrously lustful llamas loudly loving. Methodically mounted manatees mischievously mating. Nasty, naughty newts nauseatingly naked. Outrageously obsessive orcas obscenely oscillating. Prominently promiscuous parameciums perfectly pounding. Quirkily qualified quahogs quietly quaking. Reliably rugged reindeer repeatedly reproducing. Surprisingly stealthy serpents scandalously sliding. Tantalizingly tenacious tortoises tightly tangled. Unusually ugly urchins unselfishly undressed. Violently vivacious vultures viciously voluptuous. Wonderfully willing worms wildly wiggling. Xenogenically xerophthalma zemies xenodekinologically XXX. Youthfully young yetis yawningly yanking. Zanily zealous zooplankton zestfully zoolagnic.